What if I told you there's a van that combines the muscle of a truck, the comfort of a private jet, and the freedom of a luxury RV, all in one unstoppable machine? Welcome back to Ndrutis TV, your go-to channel for deep-dive automotive reviews. And today we have something truly exciting lined up for you, a full exploration of the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer Conversion van. This isn't just any van. It's a full-fledged mobile lifestyle upgrade, combining old-school durability with next-gen luxury and comfort. Let's begin with the design, where the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer stands apart from traditional vans and even modern RVs. While the base Savana maintains its boxy silhouette, Explorer's Conversion reimagines it into a sleek yet muscular form with fiberglass bodywork and stylish chrome accents. Stepping inside feels like entering a luxury private jet on wheels. The interior layout is spacious and refined. Plush captain's chairs, contrast stitching, and high-quality finishes wrap the cabin in warmth and elegance. The built-in entertainment system includes a 32-inch 4K TV, integrated soundbar, and optional satellite connectivity. Now let's talk power. Underneath all that luxury, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer doesn't skimp on muscle. It's powered by a 6.6L V8 producing 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque, paired with a smooth heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission. The driver's area bridges the gap between traditional utility and cutting-edge convenience with a digital cluster, touchscreen, and wireless connectivity. On the safety front, it features lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360 degrees camera system. The base model starts at $45,000, but the full Explorer conversion can reach around $130,000, depending on options. While that may seem steep, you're buying a luxury home on wheels with craftsmanship and capability that rivals premium RVs. It's not a fragile boutique van, it's a workhorse wrapped in luxury, built to handle any adventure. So, is this the ultimate do-it-all van for Americans looking to hit the road, or just another pricey dream on wheels? To wrap it up, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer offers a blend of GMC toughness and luxury conversion craftsmanship. Would you live full-time in a van like this or use it for epic weekend getaways? Subscribe for more on Ndrutis TV.